Hello friends, welcome to Photoshop Tips and Tricks. Let me show you how to easy and realistic blend two images in Photoshop. Let's start. Go to File, Open, and choose your image. Now select Object Selection tool. Select Lasso Mode, and draw to select the object in the scene. OK, let's zoom in a little. Go to Select, choose Modify, and Expand. Now expand by 60 pixels, and click OK. OK, done. Click and drag into first image. Press Ctrl-T to free transform, then adjust the size and position. Right-click and choose Flip Horizontal. Adjust the position little a bit. Now unlock the layer, and select two layers by holding Shift on the keyboard. Go to Edit. Choose Auto Blend Layers. Enable Stack Image, and click OK. OK, it is done, very nice and clear. If it was useful for you, please follow for more educational and effective videos. Thanks for watching.